The air became still, as if the world was holding its breath. Lila didn't mean to do it, but the moment her fingers touched the old artifact, the ground shook beneath her feet. In that moment, an ancient curse woke up, changing everything. Eldermist Village was always dark, sitting on the edge of a huge, mysterious forest. Mist covered the ground like a ghost, and the cold air carried whispers. People in the village warned each other about the Shadow Grove, a place no one dared to enter. They said a curse lived there, tied to a strange object hidden deep in the forest, bringing disaster to anyone who disturbed it. Lila, a brave and curious young woman, came to Eldermist for answers. With her journal and a hunger for knowledge, she was determined to uncover the truth behind the scary stories. The more people warned her to stay away, the more she wanted to explore. She didn't realize her curiosity would cause something unstoppable. Lila had always loved solving mysteries. With her messy hair and a bag full of maps, she was ready for adventure. She had lost her parents when she was little, but their stories about exploring the world stayed with her. Every legend felt like a puzzle to her, and she wanted to solve the one about the Shadow Grove. One cloudy morning, she walked into the forest. Following a map with unclear clues, she reached a stone platform covered in vines. On top of it was a small, glowing orb. It looked strange and magical. Lila hesitated for a moment, but then touched it. The orb lit up, and the forest roared. The curse had been released. Right away, Lila started hearing strange whispers. They grew louder as she walked. When she tried to leave, the path was gone. The forest seemed alive, changing and twisting to trap her. On the second night, while sitting by her fire, glowing eyes appeared in the darkness. A strange, shadowy creature watched her, its form flickering like a flame. It didn't attack, but it stayed close, as if waiting for something. Deep in the forest, Lila met an old figure covered in moss. The figure told her about the artifact and its curse. Return the orb to its original place before the red moon rises, it warned, or everything will be destroyed. Lila didn't know where to take the orb. The whispers became clearer, guiding her. On the night of the red moon, Lila reached a cliff. Below was an ancient altar glowing faintly, similar to the orb in her hands. The whispers became loud, almost screaming at her to act. Suddenly, the shadow creature attacked. Lila barely escaped its claws and, with one brave jump, placed the orb on the altar. The ground shook, and a bright light filled the forest, destroying the creature and silencing the whispers. Lila fell to the ground, unsure if she had succeeded. When she woke up, the forest was quiet. The mist was gone, and sunlight filled the trees. The curse had lifted. Back in the village, people were smiling and happy for the first time in years. Eldermist was no longer trapped in darkness. Lila had changed too. She had faced her fears and brought hope back to the village. But the orb stayed on her mind. Was the curse really gone, or was there more to uncover? Lila knew her journey wasn't over. She now had a story to share, one that showed how curiosity could both save and challenge us. Her past connected to her journey, showing glimpses of her adventurous childhood and her decision to follow her parents' legacy. Along the way, she met a local guide who helped her despite his doubts. Together, they showed how trust grows in tough times. Lila also found hints of more mysteries in the forest, suggesting her adventure was just beginning.
In a Kiev Valley, far from a chaos of a world, one small decision turned everything upside down. What started a harmless choice ended up destroying a piece of entire village. Let's dive into this tragic story. There was a beautiful village called Elmswood, surrounded by green hills and filled with cheerful people. A sparkling river ran through the village, and colorful flowers bloomed in every garden. Life was simple and happy there. But this village had a secret, a magical willow stone hidden in a nearby forest. According to a legend, a stone protected the village, and disturbing it could bring disaster. Most villagers respected the legend, but not everyone believed it. One day, Simeon's curiosity changed everything and set off a series of events no one could have imagined. Lila was different from other villagers. While most people followed old tradition, Lila was curious and adventurous. She had studied rock and nature in a city and returned to her village full of ideas. When she heard about the willow stone, she couldn't help but wonder if it held any scientific value. To her, it wasn't a magic, it was an exciting mystery waiting to be solved. She thought studying it might even bring attention to her key village. Exciting incident. One morning, Lila packed her tools and set out into a dense forest. After hours of searching, she found the willow stone. It was covered in moss and had strange symbols carved into it. It even glowed faintly in the sunlight. For a moment, Lila felt uneasy, if a stone was warning her. But she brushed the feeling aside. Driven by curiosity, she chipped off a small piece of a stone. A loud echo filled the forest, and the ground shook slightly. Surprised but unafraid, Lila took a fragment back to a village, not realizing what she had done. A few days later, a villager noticed that their crops were wilting. Plants that had always thrived suddenly turned brown and leafless. A elder whispered that a balance had been broken. They blamed the disturbance of the willow stone. Lila, however, thought it might just be bad weather or a natural problem. Soon after, a river's flow began to weaken. Fish disappeared, and water became scarce. Strange symbols, similar to those on a willow stone, appeared on a DRY riverbed. Fear spread through the village as people began to suspect that something ancient and powerful was at play. And on happy village became divided. Some villagers supported Lila, believing she could find a solution. Others blamed her for everything and demanded a stone fragment be returned. Argument turned into fight, and the sense of community that once defined Elmswood started to fall apart. During a harvest festival, a time meant for joy, a ground began to shake violently. From the edge of the forest, a bright, glowing light appeared. A cold wind swept through the village, carrying an airy voice. Return what you have taken, or face a consequence. Out of the glowing light came a tall, shadowy figure. ET's voice echoed through the air, sending chill down everyone's spine. Terrified, a villager turned to Lila. Realizing she still had the stone fragment, she ran toward the forest, with the villager following her. She reached the stone's resting place and carefully put a piece back. As soon as she did, a shaking stopped, a light vanished, and the figure disappeared. But the damage to the village was done. Elmswood was never the same again. A river stayed weak, and the swale could no longer grow crop. Many villagers left, hoping to find better lives elsewhere. Those who stayed lived quietly, avoiding the forest and OT's secret. Lila decided to remain in the village, dedicating her life to teaching others about respecting nature and the wisdom of old tradition. She had learned a hard lesson. Some mysteries are better left alone. A story of Elmswood reminds us that even a small choice can have huge consequences. Sometimes, traditions exist for a reason, and breaking them can lead to irreversible harm.